Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance repairs for your auto and truck. Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission,
we have
cooling
a
systems,
2007.
If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto will fix it or replace it,
3.4.
featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician,
Pontiac
413
Torrent.
Highway 100, Laguna Heights.
And we need to
Gabriel
replace
Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
the oil pressure switch or sending unit. It's right there behind these wires right here. See, because it's leaking oil, lots of oil. See, they replaced the starter already because it get damaged because of the oil, and it's right there. So I'm gonna have to replace it. Okay, let me see. I have the camera right there so you can see. This is the sensor or the sending unit. We need to disconnect it. See how it's full of oil inside the connector. So now let's remove it.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of
Maybe I'm
maintenance
gonna need
repairs for your auto and truck. Air conditioning, heating,
an extension.
tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto will fix it or replace it. Featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto
Right.
Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel
going
Auto
out.
Technician,
It's going
413
out.
Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
Okay. Got it out. See how full of oil it's inside? Because the diaphragm inside breaks. Get a hole in it. Okay, got the new one here. It's got sealer on the thread. Let's put it in. Okay. Right there. Now let's get it tight. Yeah, I need an extension. Can do it there.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance repairs for your auto and truck. Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto will fix it or replace it. Featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel, Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
All right, we got it. I'm gonna clean the connector, wash it with some solvent, and I'm gonna connect it back in. Okay. I don't know why the guys who replaced the starter didn't replace this, or didn't tell the customer about this leak. They just told them it's got a leak, but they didn't check that. Okay, that's it. Got it on. Everything is on its place. That's it. All right.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance repairs for your auto and truck.
Got it there.
Heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto can fix it or replace it, featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.